when we say ihdina sirat al-mustaqim, guide us along the straight path. That straight path at this particular point in the dua, and when we're asking for guidance, is somewhat abstract and somewhat theoretical until we say sirat alladhina an'amta alayhim, the path of those whom you have favored. Now, that path becomes something that is not abstract because we know those whom Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has favored, from the prophets and from the sincere and truthful and from the martyrs and from the righteous. And so by studying their lives, we now have a blueprint. We have a roadmap to what guidance actually looks like. Similarly, when we say guide us among those whom you have guided, then we think about those whom Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has actually guided. And this shows us the importance of having a role model or role models when we talk about guidance.